Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Brave Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and doing well. So today in this video we are going to be making this subscribe button using Figma, and also we are going to be learning the basics of Figma. So let's begin. So first of all, in the top bar of Figma, as you can see here, this is the first button here in the top bar of Figma is the button with Figma icon, is the main menu of Figma. So here as you can see, you can create a new Figma file, new Figma gem file, etc. You just need to create a new design file. Moving to the next button in the title bar, which is the move tool as well as the scale tool. You can switch between them pressing on this button. And the next button is for frame and slice. So we need to create a frame in order to create a Figma design. So let's say we need this big frame. So we will create this with subscribe button, and here in the design pane, and then as you can see here, the next button is for shapes. So if you want different shapes in your Figma, in your design file, you can create it, such as rectangle, and there are lots of shapes. And the next tool is for pen and pencil, which I don't use usually, but you can use according to your requirement. And this one is for text, and this is hand tool as well as this comment tool. This is used for adding some comments in a particular section of a Figma file, and you can rename your Figma file from here. And now let's go to design panel. Here in the design panel, this is the design panel, and here you can change the width in XY direction, in X width of X and Y. You can change the X and Y positions, width and height. Also, here you can change the rotation from here. I will keep 0 degree, and this is for corner radius. As in subscribe button, there are a little bit of corner radius, so let's add this much corner radius, and this looks pretty cool. Now we need to change the color of our button. So the color of our button is a red color, something like this. This is the exact code of the subscribe button. Now let's add a text here, and let's write subscribe. And now in order to add little bit of styling in this button, let's add some shadow. So here in order to add shadow, we have to go to effects, add an effect, a drop shadow, and if you want some shadow in your text as well, you can add some shadow. In text I like inner shadow, black, and this effects just add a little bit of more detail in your Figma design file. So as you can see here, if I zoom a little bit, as you can see here, this text is now having some inner shadow. And also you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And also you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And also this is it for this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server, link in the description.